Audio compressor, best ways to reduce audio size. How can you compress audio files with a little click? WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro is not only a video size compressor, but also an easy-to-use audio compressor software that enables you to compress an audio file without any hassle. Download and install this audio file compressor on your Windows PC, and let's get started. Step 1. Add audio files. Open the audio compressor software, select Converter, then click Add Files or drag and drop to import your audio files. This program supports bulk processing mode to save time. In addition to compressing the audio file size of your computer, the software can also download audio files from 1,000 plus websites for compression. Step 2. Select Exit Format. Distribute the right output format list and select any audio file format missing under Audio tab, such as MP3, M4A, WMA, OGG, AAC, etc. Step 3. Press Music. Specify the path of your exit folder below and then press the Run button to start compressing audio files. Congratulations! The whole process will be completed in an instant due to the mass conversion mode. Click Open Folder to find your output files, and then you can transfer, upload, and stream your audio files as you wish.